Your brain is rotting. Not literally, but something strange is happening. You pick up your phone for one quick scroll and suddenly 2 hours vanish. You can't focus on a book anymore. Movies feel too slow. Even conversations feel boring unless they're interrupted by notifications. This is brain rot, and chances are you already have it. So what exactly is brain rot? It's the mental fog that comes from overconsumption of low-effort, high-stimulation content. TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, endless Twitter threads. Your brain gets addicted to constant novelty, and anything requiring sustained attention becomes almost painful. The term started as internet slang, but neuroscientists are now taking it seriously. Here's where it gets scary. The average person now touches their phone 2,600 times per day. Our collective attention span dropped from 12 seconds in 2000 to just 8 seconds today. That's shorter than a goldfish. A Microsoft study found that heavy social media users struggle to filter out irrelevant stimuli. Essentially, their brains forgot how to ignore distractions. And teenagers spending 7+ hours on screens daily have double the depression and anxiety rates. The real culprit is dopamine hijacking. Every scroll, every like, every notification triggers a tiny dopamine hit. Dr. Anna Lemke, author of Dopamine Nation, explains that our brains weren't designed for unlimited access to pleasure. We've essentially given ourselves an IV drip of stimulation. The result? Your baseline happiness drops. Normal life feels gray. You need more and more stimulation just to feel okay. Strategy 1, the dopamine detox. This isn't about quitting technology forever. It's about strategic boredom. Cal Newport calls this attention restoration. Spend 1 day per week, or even just 4 hours, without any screens. No podcasts, no music, just you and your thoughts. Your brain will scream at first. That discomfort is withdrawal. Push through it, and your sensitivity to normal pleasures returns. Strategy 2, friction design. Make bad habits harder and good habits easier. Delete social apps from your phone. Keep them only on your laptop. Use app blockers like OneSec that force a breathing exercise before opening Instagram. Move your phone charger to another room at night. Research from Stanford's Behavior Design Lab shows that even tiny friction reduces unwanted behaviors by up to 40%. Strategy 3, attention training. Your focus is a muscle. Rebuild it gradually. Start with the 2-minute rule. Read a physical book for just 2 minutes daily. No pressure. Then increase by 1 minute each week. Within 3 months, you'll be reading for 30 minutes effortlessly. Marianne Wolf's research at UCLA shows that deep reading actually rewires your brain for sustained attention. You're literally rebuilding neural pathways. Strategy 4, curate your content diet. Not all content is equal. Replace passive scrolling with intentional consumption. Subscribe to long-form creators. Watch documentaries instead of clips. Listen to podcasts that challenge you. The goal isn't less screen time necessarily, it's higher quality screen time. Think of it like food, junk food versus nutrition. Your brain digests content the same way your body digests meals. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Brain rot isn't your fault, but it is your responsibility. These apps are designed by thousands of engineers whose only job is capturing your attention. You're not weak for struggling. You're human. But knowing this gives you power. Every moment of boredom you tolerate, every long article you finish, every notification you ignore, you're taking back territory in your own mind. So start today. Pick one strategy. Just one. Try the 2-minute reading rule tonight. Move your phone charger tomorrow. Schedule your first detox day this weekend. Your brain adapted to brain rot, which means it can adapt back. The question is, will Will you give it the chance? Drop a comment with which strategy you're trying first. And if this helped, share it with someone whose brain could use a little recovery too.